Riwruok mar jolok ohand majan mar chai pachoka kwayo piny owacho ma pachoka mondo miyo bag twak gi tend piny Sudan kaluwore gi kum ma giketo ne jo Kenya ewi tero majan mar chai e piny Sudan. Jaratije mar riwruogno George Omuga ok oni okang' ma piny Sudan okawono dhi rocho malich mokalo ochumi ma pachoka to chutho ni mar Sudan en achiel kuom pinje 5 mosebedo ka tiyo gi majan ma thothgi wuok Kenya. Kumno ok oni timore seche ma mogo kuom majan nitiere meli kitero Sudan ka containers mayo 200 bende pod nitiere port ma Mombasa onego bed nitere pinyno.
We have buyers and exporters who have running contracts with the tea importers in Sudan. And these running contracts, the buyers have already shipped out teas that are on the high seas. Some are lying at the port at Port Sudan. Some teas have been bought distant for Sudan market for the last 2 weeks that are still lying at the warehouses in Mombasa. The above will negatively impact the tea auction prices and have a serious negative economic consequences in terms of the farmers' returns and earnings. We therefore would like to request the Kenyan government, this is the immediate action we are asking the government to do, to urgently engage the government of Sudan to allow buyers and exporters of tea from Mombasa a window of at least 1 month to clear the already dispatched teas destined to Sudan, the teas in the high seas, and the huge stocks bought for Sudan market that are still lying in the warehouses of Mombasa.